Have you ever pondered over the capabilities of AI in analyzing and creating videos? Imagine a world where AI not only comprehends the content of a video, but also creates new ones based on specific search parameters. The significance of such a feat is immense, touching various sectors from entertainment to security. As our digital world continues to expand, the relevance of AI in video analysis and creation only grows. In the next few minutes, you will gain insight into how AI is trained for this fascinating task. To understand how AI can analyze and create videos, we first need to grasp the basics of AI and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a fascinating field of computer science. It's about designing and developing machines that can mimic human intelligence. Imagine a machine that can understand, learn, and respond just like a human. That's AI for you. But it's not just about building robots. AI has a wide range of applications, from voice recognition and language translation to video analysis and creation. Now, you might be wondering, how does AI learn? This is where machine learning, or ML, comes into play. Machine learning is a subset of AI that enables machines to learn from data. In other words, ML is the brain behind AI. It uses algorithms to sift through vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions. Here's a simple way to understand it. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a cat. You'd show them pictures of different cats, right? Over time, the child starts recognizing cats even if they haven't seen that particular cat before. This is similar to how machine learning works. It's fed a lot of data, it learns from this data, and then it can make predictions or decisions based on what it has learned. But there's a catch. Like a child learning to recognize a cat, machine learning models need a lot of data to learn effectively. The more data you feed into the model, the better it gets at making predictions. And just like a child gets better at recognizing cats over time, machine learning models improve over time with more data and experience. So, what does this all mean for video analysis and creation? Well, it means that we can train an AI to analyze videos by feeding it large amounts of video data. The AI learns from this data, identifies patterns, and then can analyze new videos based on what it has learned. Similarly, we can train an AI to create videos by feeding it data on how videos are structured and what makes a video engaging. Now that we have a basic understanding of AI, we can delve into how it is trained for video analysis and creation. The first step in training an AI is to prepare the data. When you hear the phrase preparing the data, you might imagine a chef in a kitchen chopping, slicing, and dicing ingredients. In a way, it's not too far from reality. Preparing data for AI training is not a far cry from prepping ingredients for a gourmet meal. Every step is crucial, and the quality of your output depends heavily on the quality of your input. Data collection is our first step. We need to gather relevant data that our AI will learn from. This could be any form of data, text, images, or in our case, video. It's like picking the finest ingredients for your dish. The better the quality of your data, the better your AI will perform. Next, we need to clean our data. This is akin to washing our ingredients before we cook them. We remove any irrelevant, redundant, or inconsistent data. This step ensures that our AI is not confused or misled by noise in the data. Once our data is clean, we move on to data labeling. This is where we add annotations or tags to our data. For our video AI, we might label different objects, actions, or scenes in the video. This process is like seasoning our ingredients. It adds depth and context to our data, helping our AI understand what it's looking at. Remember, AI is like a newborn baby. It doesn't know anything about the world. It learns from the data we feed it. So, the better we prepare our data, the better our AI will learn. The importance of high-quality data cannot be overstated. It's the foundation of successful AI training. If we feed our AI poorly prepared data, it's like building a house on shaky ground. The results will be unstable and unreliable. With our data prepared, we can now move on to the actual training process. Here, we'll see how our well-prepared data helps our AI learn and grow. So, stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of AI training. Training an AI is a meticulous process that involves several steps. Imagine you're teaching a child how to paint. You wouldn't just give them the brush and paint, right? You'd guide them, show them different techniques, and help them understand when to use which brush. Well, the same goes for training an AI model. It's all about guidance and fine-tuning. First, we need to choose the right model. This is similar to choosing the right brush for our painting. We have different types of models like convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, and more. The choice of the model depends on the nature of the task. For video analysis and creation, we often lean towards convolutional neural networks because they are particularly good at processing visual information. Once we've chosen our model, it's time to feed it data. This is like giving our child painter different colors to experiment with. We feed the model thousands, sometimes millions of examples, so it can learn to identify patterns and make predictions. In our case, these examples would be videos that the AI can learn from. But just like how a child might mix up red and green, our model might make mistakes initially. This is where we adjust its parameters. These are like the rules of painting that we teach the child. Parameters guide the learning process of the model, influencing how it processes data and makes predictions. We adjust these parameters during the training process to minimize errors and improve accuracy. The training process is iterative, meaning the model learns gradually, improving with each cycle of training. It's like our child painter, improving with each painting they create, learning from their mistakes, and refining their technique. And voila! After several cycles of this process, our AI model is trained. It has learned from the data we fed it, adjusted its parameters based on the feedback, and is now ready to take on the task it was trained for. Once training is complete, the AI is ready to analyze and create videos. Just like how our child, after learning and practicing, is now ready to create their own masterpiece. With a well-trained AI, we can now analyze videos. It's quite an exciting prospect, isn't it? So let's delve into how this process unfolds. The first step is object detection. The AI scans the video frame by frame, identifying and classifying each object it comes across. This could range from recognizing a person strolling in a park to spotting a car zooming down a highway. The AI is not just limited to detecting static objects, it can also pinpoint actions, such as a person waving or a bird flying. Next, the AI interprets the scene. It's not enough to know the individual elements. The AI must also understand the context. This involves recognizing whether the setting is indoors or outdoors, day or night, or even if it's a bustling city or tranquil forest. This scene recognition helps the AI make sense of the video's overall narrative. Finally, there's sentiment analysis. The AI gauges the emotional tone of the video. It could determine whether a scene is cheerful or gloomy, tense or relaxed. It does this by analyzing elements such as facial expressions, body language, and the tone of any spoken dialogue. These capabilities combined allow the AI to understand videos at a granular level, offering insights that might even escape the human eye. But that's not all. Our AI can also create new videos. Stay tuned to witness this fascinating process unfold in our next segment. A well-trained AI can even create new videos. That's right, the realm of video creation is no longer exclusive to human hands. With the right programming, artificial intelligence can not only analyze, but also generate new video content. Let's dive into the process. AI, armed with machine learning capabilities, can sift through hours of footage, identifying and selecting relevant scenes based on the criteria it's been trained to recognize. It's like having an ultra-efficient, tireless director on set, making decisions in real time. But it doesn't stop there. Once the AI has selected the required scenes, it can arrange them in a logical order to tell a coherent story. It's akin to a film editor, but one that operates with lightning speed and precision. The AI can go even further by adding effects to the video. Whether it's color grading, transitions, or even special effects, the AI can handle it all. It learns from the vast amount of data it's been fed and applies that knowledge to create visually appealing content. The result? A video that's been created from start to finish by an artificial intelligence system. It's an exciting prospect, and one that's already beginning to take shape in the world of content creation. This is the power of machine learning and AI in action. It's not just about analyzing data anymore. It's about creating, innovating, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And that, friends, is how AI can analyze and create videos. We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's quickly recap. We've delved into the intriguing world of artificial intelligence and machine learning, understood the significance of preparing data for training, and learned the process of training AI. We've seen how AI can meticulously analyze videos and even create brand new ones. It's an exciting glimpse into the future, where AI plays a pivotal role in video creation. So the next time you watch a video, remember, an AI might have had a hand in creating it,